PHP ini file. While installing PHP, this file is provided with PHP installation settings. For that, it includes sets of directives provided with respective values. These directives of two types based on the values they have. These are value directive. It contains value with respect to the name of the directive. For example, include underscore path is a value directive that holds the default path to be included. If no URL is specified for the PHP include function. Flag directive. It is considered as flags that can be set or unset by using boolean terms like on or off, 1 0, true false, and so on. For example, register underscore globals set to off by default since register underscore globals are deprecated in PHP. The file has two sections based on which the value and the flag directives can be set with. These sections are host. The directives can be set for the home name specified using the section, that is settings under particular host name. Will be work only with that host. For example, we have the host some domain name.com. We can set the errors to off. This setting will not allow displaying error while running our PHP project on this host. Path. The configuration are set with particular path specified. For example, a path we have set home user display errors on. This setting will allow the displaying of error while running our project on the particular path. How do we configure PHP ini? This file is located inside PHP folder of the location where we have installed PHP. If we are using XAMPP package, you would find this file in XAMPP/PHP. If we are using WAMP package, it will be displayed under WAMP-PHP. After installing PHP, we can find one or more versions of a php.ini file. We need to choose one of the preferable version that should be renamed as php.ini. For example, if those versions are named as php.ini underscore dist and php.ini underscore recommended, then we need to select the later one because it is an optimized file with respect to performance, security, and etc. We need to rename PHP i9 recommended as php.ini. If we use XAMPP package to install PHP on our local machine, then there will be another set of two versions of this file. that is php.ini-development and php.ini-production. Among them, php.ini-development is preferable than the other to rename as php.ini. Change of impact. We can make changes to this file on demand basis. For example, if we want to access the remote file, we need to set the option allow underscore URL underscore fopen to be enabled. After making any change with either php.ini, we need to restart our XAMPP server or any package using the PHP using which the PHP is installed to make these changes to be effective in our PHP environment. php.ini settings. This file includes settings related to the PHP environment features like error handling, remote access, file uploads, configuring image related settings, for example setting the maximum size of images to upload and etc. This file also has directives to configure with season and cookie related settings. But some of the php.ini directives are deprecated as of later versions of PHP. We can also customize php.ini file as our own by following default template of this file provided while installing PHP. By customizing own php.ini file, we can configure our PHP environment on a need basis.